Hey girls, it's your girl Shay London, and I am finally back with a new upload. I know it's been a while, and this upload is hair related because I had a lot of inquiries on Instagram about this hair and how did I achieve these luscious curls, which were pretty easy. So if you guys want to see how I got these curls, just continue to watch. Now let me tell you about this hair. This is a wig. It's 4 inches of 26 inches body wave and a 5x5 closure. So I'm just fixing a baby hair right here before I get to the curling part. I love this hair. Okay, it's pretty good. I got it from my vendor from when I used to sell hair. So I know you guys are gonna ask me, where did I get the hair from? Where did I get the hair from? I can't really say because it's from the vendor I used when I used to sell hair. So to get these curls, you're gonna need mousse. You're going to need the smallest flexi rods the beauty supply store has, which is the orange ones. And you're going to need a comb. So as you guys can see, I am wrapping the hair around the flexi rod. And you want to make sure that you're wrapping it to the back, right? Because you don't want the curl to go forward at the front. You want it to go to the back. You guys are going to see it again on the other side. Let me slow it down for you guys. Okay guys, so watch closely. I am wrapping the hair towards the back because we want that front part to lay towards the back. We don't want it to be towards the face. It just looks better when it lays that way. Okay, so I'm just gonna basically repeat the whole entire process until we have the whole head flexi rod. I think I use about 8 to 10, so you don't need a lot of flexi rods, and this could literally be done in 10 minutes. And you sleep with it overnight and let it air dry. Don't put a bonnet over your head when you put mousse and flexi rods in your hair because it defeats the purpose. It won't be fully dried in the morning, etc. So you guys could just watch me, and yeah, this is pretty easy and the curls come out beautiful.
I would like to get to know could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, then it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, only you. I'll be down with what you go. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. No matter time of day and night, it's gonna be down. Wanna be down.
Okay guys, so this is like 2 days later. I kept these flexi rods in for 2 days just because I didn't feel like taking them out. You can take it out the next morning. So as you guys can see, you want to be careful when taking these flexi rods out. You don't want to just pull it, like you want to unwrap it basically from the bottom going up. So it's like the opposite way of how you put it in. That's how you're gonna unwrap it. And as y'all can see, these curls are looking nice already, okay? I didn't even put any oil sheen. I didn't put anything. I just strictly used a mousse. And wait till we fluff these babies out. Like, these curls are definitely giving. So just watch while I take all the flexi rods out.
Yo, hear me out. Anybody do that dance and nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. Can you see me a cleanest?
So now I'm using my hot comb just to relay the top because we want to make sure it is laid and slayed. And then I'm going to use my fingers to separate the curls. You don't want to use a brush or a comb yet. Just use your fingers and literally separate it. And be really careful with this part. So now you guys can see, now that I'm separating it, it's getting really big and beautiful. So this is so pretty. Do you guys see that? I use no heat. This took me 10 minutes to do. Y'all have to try it. So use the smallest flexi rods in the beauty supply store, mousse, and boom. These curls are it. I love it. So now I'm using a comb to make it even bigger. And yeah, I have a big face, so I like big hair. So this is absolutely fine for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this mini tutorial, and you like and subscribe and stay tuned for all the content that I have coming up for you guys. Love y'all.